Okay, so this is how you start. You find a tree and you just like, punch it down. Oh my God. Yes! Woo! Victory Royale with a pickaxe!
What you just saw does not exist. They are not real people, and it is not a game recorded by a human. It is the future, and it is here to turn the entertainment industry around, and in this case, it particularly affects YouTubers, streamers, and all kinds of audiovisual content creators. This is Google Veo 3, and it's a revolution that is going to change everything definitively. On this channel, as you know, I tend to be quite restrained. But if you think I'm exaggerating, please take a look at these videos generated entirely with artificial intelligence. But first of all, this is Arte Pro, and if you are interested in art and new technologies, I recommend subscribing to keep up with all the news.
I just want to wear it.
So I said, I'm not wearing that.
Oh, you didn't.
Generating videos with built-in dialogue really changes things, doesn't it?
I'm not sure I can go on.
So I went to the zoo the other day, and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
Oh, the snow is white and lovely, and I'm riding my board.
And so you see, the artist, by simply bending this single rod, has
Oh, this heat's a killer, can't take no more.
It's like they don't understand that it's coming for all of us. They're making these things smarter and they think they can control it, but they can't. You can't control something that thinks fast.
Okay, so Riz is basically short for charisma.
Got it.
And that's a verb as well.
A few days ago was the Google I.O., where they launched a new video generation AI model called Veo 3. Its previous version was already amazing, but Veo 3 not only generates videos, but also includes sounds and integrated dialogues, and offers full control over the camera and the narrative. You can ask it to create a conversation between two people, and the realism is so stunning that it's hard to distinguish it from something recorded with real cameras and actors. As we have seen, it can generate gameplay or create an influencer with their own voice and style. If automated channels with no human intervention already exist today, what will happen when a tool like Veo 3 becomes more accessible to everyone? Right now, you cannot start using Veo 3 from tomorrow, firstly because it is currently accessible only in the United States and because the price is quite prohibitive, no less than $124.99 per month. For now, they allow us to access different channels through Flow TV with content created using this tool. Here, they offer us various themes, and we can select one of them to access related videos and evaluate their quality. When OpenAI announced Sora some time ago as the great revolution of the film industry, it was the professionals in this sector who started to tremble. On this channel, we talked about it and also echoed the phenomenon of influencers generated with AI, who simply from images on social networks were earning enormous sums of money. Specifically, we talked about the fictional influencer Aitana Lopez, whose agency was invoicing more than $10,000 per month. Even here, I made a tutorial to show you how to generate models of this style consistently and step by step with stable diffusion. But this goes much further. These are not still images that, as in the case of Aitana, show the mark of the AI, but we are talking about people in motion in complex videos that perfectly emulate reality and are practically indistinguishable from real characters, scenarios, and situations. Right now with Veo 3 began CFS and we can already start to glimpse the future of all content creation both in movies and series and for social media entertainment in all kinds of niches. So this can already displace practically all professionals in the film industry such as editors, cameramen, lighting technicians, sound technicians, video editors, special effects, actors of course, etc. But also all types of content creators. Would there even be space for YouTubers and streamers trying to make a living with their talent from their rooms? Or do you think, on the contrary, rather than a threat, it could be an opportunity for new content creators? And then, beyond entertainment, tools like Veo 3 and those developed in the future will be the ones generating fake news that shape our understanding of the world. Who will manage them? If everyone produces so easily, what will reach us, and how will we distinguish the real from the fictional? The truth is, I am fascinated by the creative possibilities that all these technological advances are producing in recent years. But it also makes me quite uneasy about where they might lead us. What do you think about Veo 3? Are we ready for this immediate future where the real and the synthetic mix? What threats and possibilities do you see in these powerful tools? I would love to read your opinion below in the comments, and as always, I really appreciate your support for the channel by leaving me your like. A hug. See you in the next video with more impressive news like this. And to imagine what a virtual YouTuber of the near future could be like, here I leave you some videos generated with the Veo 3 AI in which it recreates what Santa Claus's life would be like, beyond the gift delivery.